Welcome to 27 Orchard Lane, right in the heart of Minot, Maine. We've got 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, a full basement, mostly finished. The other part of it can be used as a workshop, and it's just minutes from I-95. And while you're riding to I-95, you come over the beautiful view of Lake Auburn. It's gorgeous. So let's go inside and we'll check it out. With tile floors in the kitchen, this galley kitchen, hardwood floors in the living room, and a beautiful view of the backyard, this is meant for entertaining. And this is the part I love the most. This finished basement, it's awesome. Game day, everybody's down here. There's also a workshop area and a full finished basement underneath the garage. So here we are at my favorite part of this house, the backyard. It's huge, it's got a great apple orchard, awesome sliding in the wintertime, and plenty of room for fun in the summer. So I hope you'll come and check out 27 Orchard Lane in Minot, Maine.